plastic.
Pretty good.
It's got good acceleration. Why?
I'll put it
Isn't it
on
a 4-cylinder?
I don't know what it is, to be honest.
Don't get a ticket, that's it.
It does have a bit of lag in it though when you put your foot down. It's not as quick as it should be. I like the paddles, but we wouldn't use that on the Rockador.
Is it a manual? Is it a manual?
No, it's automatic, but it's got flappy paddles.
If you want to drive it like a mini manual.
Yeah. Called semi-automatic. Because you can do it through here.
Get a speeding ticket.
It's very fast on the change though, Jethro. Can I have a sip of your water, please, Noah?
Yeah.
No, on a speeding ticket.
You probably go to jail for that speed, wouldn't you?
I don't know. So the guy who owns this, he's younger than me, nice fellow, his name's Ben, and he's a pilot for Jetstar. And his grandpa lent him some money to get his pilot's license, which was very sweet of him. But he hasn't made his money. What are we doing? 116, 120. He hasn't made his money flying aeroplanes. He's made his money in real estate, buying a house.